Welcome back. Today it's gonna be roast duck day. Today I'm gonna prepare a simple and easy roast duck using the Ninja Foodi. First I'm gonna stuff the duck with a bit of cilantro, thyme, lemon, celery, onions, garlic, and green onions. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper now to the duck and tie it up with a bit of butcher's twine and get it ready for the Ninja Foodi. Now that the duck is all tied up, I'm just gonna take it, put it in the foodie and pressure it for about 30 to 40 minutes. So now put together a quick base for the duck using a bit of red wine, brown sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna pat dry the duck, add a bit of the base, and start roasting. Guys, this looks absolutely delicious. I'm gonna go grab a bite. If you guys did enjoy the video, please do give me a big thumbs up, and do not forget, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for any of my upcoming contents.
I crave your silhouette more than a little bit.